Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into two of the most iconic American luxury convertibles of the 1960s, the 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible and the 1967 Lincoln Continental Convertible. These two cars weren't just vehicles, they were symbols of status, craftsmanship, and the American dream. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or just love seeing the beauty of vintage luxury, this video is packed with everything you need to know, from their history and design to interior luxury, performance, and the driving experience. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a journey into the golden era of American convertibles, history and background. 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. The 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible arrived at the height of Cadillac's luxury dominance. Cadillac, a division of General Motors, had been producing top-tier luxury cars for decades, and the DeVille line represented the pinnacle of comfort, style, and innovation. In 1967, the DeVille was redesigned to be longer, lower, and sleeker than before. Cadillac wanted to emphasize elegance while keeping the car unmistakably bold. Its 429 cubic inch V8 engine delivered around 340 horsepower, a massive figure for the time, providing effortless cruising power. Cadillac's mission was clear: combine performance, luxury, and prestige in one unforgettable package. The DeVille Convertible quickly became a favorite among wealthy businessmen, celebrities, and those who simply wanted to make a statement. Its presence on the road was unmistakable. It was the car you noticed the moment it pulled up. 1967 Lincoln Continental Convertible. The 1967 Lincoln Continental Convertible was Ford's answer to Cadillac's dominance, but it took a different approach. Instead of flamboyance, Lincoln emphasized understated elegance, refined engineering, and timeless design. This generation of the Continental was famous for its rear-hinged, suicide doors, a design that had become iconic and remains one of the most recognizable features in automotive history. The 462 cubic inch V8 engine produced roughly 340 horsepower, giving it smooth, reliable power for cruising in style. The Lincoln was popular with presidents, celebrities, and anyone who wanted to exude class without being ostentatious. Its design philosophy was simple: quiet sophistication, unmatched comfort, and a driving experience that felt effortless. Exterior design. Cadillac DeVille Convertible. Let's talk about the exterior of the Cadillac DeVille. The first thing you notice is its bold presence on the road. The 1967 model was slightly lower than previous years, giving it a sleeker, more modern silhouette. Chrome accents run along the car's sides, highlighting the length of the vehicle. Cadillac's designers were masters of proportion. The long hood, elegant roofline, and subtle tail fins give it that unmistakable, classic Cadillac look. The grille is wide and commanding, flanked by dual headlights that shine like jewels in the sun. The convertible top folds neatly, allowing for open-air cruising, and when it's up, it maintains a clean, balanced silhouette. Every detail, from the polished bumpers to the Cadillac crest, is designed to catch the eye and convey luxury. Lincoln Continental Convertible. Now, the Lincoln Continental takes a more restrained, dignified approach. Straight, clean lines dominate its profile, giving it a timeless, almost architectural elegance. It's slightly boxier than the Cadillac, but that was intentional. Lincoln wanted a look that screamed refinement rather than flash. The most striking feature is the rear-hinged suicide doors, which not only provide a grand entrance and exit but also give the car a dramatic flair that still turns heads today. Chrome trim highlights the length of the car, while hidden headlights and a minimal grille add a touch of mystery. Overall, the Lincoln is less about showmanship and more about quiet confidence, the kind of car that commands respect wherever it goes. Interior luxury and features. Cadillac DeVille Convertible. Step inside the Cadillac, and you immediately understand why it was America's luxury benchmark. The cabin is lavishly appointed with leather seats, wood-trimmed dashboards, and a sweeping, elegant steering wheel. Every touchpoint is designed for comfort and style. Optional features like power windows, power seats, and air conditioning were cutting edge for the time, giving the driver complete control over comfort. The convertible adds a sense of freedom, the open-air experience is unmatched, and every detail inside the cabin speaks of craftsmanship. Cadillac also paid attention to entertainment. AM/FM radios, optional 8-track players, and a refined instrument cluster made every drive both luxurious and engaging. Lincoln Continental Convertible. The Lincoln Continental's interior, by contrast, is calm, spacious, and incredibly refined. Soft leather upholstery, ample legroom, and a thoughtful dashboard design create a serene environment. Lincoln focused on ergonomics and comfort, with power features like windows, seats, and even air conditioning in many models. The suicide doors aren't just for style, they make entering and exiting the car effortless and impressive. Optional features included premium stereo systems, full carpeting, and wood trim accents, all designed to create a luxurious, understated driving environment. It's the kind of cabin where you feel relaxed and in control, every mile of the journey. Performance and driving experience. Cadillac DeVille Convertible. The Cadillac DeVille's 429 cubic inch V8 delivers smooth, effortless power. Acceleration is strong, and the automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, making driving a pure joy. The car's suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps with ease, giving you the feeling of driving on a cloud-like surface. Handling is stable, even for a car of its size, and the steering is precise enough for confident highway cruising. In short, the DeVille is not a sports car, it doesn't need to be. Its strength lies in smooth, commanding performance and unmatched luxury on the road. Lincoln Continental Convertible. The Lincoln Continental, powered by its 462 cubic inch V8, is all about refined, effortless cruising. The engine produces ample torque, perfect for smooth, steady acceleration. Its suspension system is soft and forgiving, giving the car a luxurious glide over even the roughest roads. Steering is light but precise, allowing for a serene driving experience that is unmatched by most cars of its era. The Continental excels in comfort and dignity, it's a car designed for long, relaxed drives with the wind in your hair. Collectability and legacy. Both the Cadillac DeVille and Lincoln Continental remain highly sought after today. Collectors value the Cadillac for its bold, luxurious styling, impressive presence, and historical significance as America's ultimate luxury car. Meanwhile, the Lincoln Continental is prized for its iconic design, suicide doors, and understated elegance, which have stood the test of time. Both cars represent the peak of American automotive engineering in the 1960s, and owning either is like owning a piece of history. Conclusion and comparison. So, which car should you choose? If you want a vehicle that stands out, demands attention, and offers bold luxury, the Cadillac DeVille Convertible is the clear choice. But if you prefer timeless elegance, understated sophistication, and a unique design feature like the suicide doors, the Lincoln Continental Convertible is perfect. Either way, you're experiencing the golden era of American luxury cars, where design, comfort, and performance were elevated to an art form. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us which of these classic convertibles you'd take for a Sunday cruise. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and stories about America's most iconic cars.